Hi, everyone. In this video, I'm going to share some tips with you on how to shine and become the best version of yourself in the shortest time possible. Let's start with a skincare routine. Step 1. Use a gentle cleanser for your face both in the morning and at night to remove impurities and prevent acne or any other skin issues. Step 2. Use a mild exfoliator to remove dead skin cells. Step 3. After washing your face, apply a hydrating moisturizer to give your skin a glowing appearance. To protect your skin from UV damage, apply sunscreen daily. Sunscreen helps prevent skin darkening and reduces the risk of premature aging. If you have open pores or acne, you can massage your face with ice. To slim down your face, massage it for 10 minutes daily to reduce double chin and puffiness. Please like this video and subscribe. Now, let's move on to grooming. Nails have a significant impact on the beauty of your hands and feet, so don't forget to care for them. There are products that contain nutrients that help strengthen nails and prevent them from breaking. Use soft nail files to smooth the edges of your nails, and always file in one direction to prevent breakage. If you care about nail beauty, you can apply nail polish. If you want your polish to last longer and your nails to look shinier, use gel polish or a glossy top coat. For natural-looking nails, opt for neutral shades like light pink, nude, or beige. Manicure your nails every 2 weeks to keep them neat and beautiful. You can do this yourself or visit a salon. Now is the turn of personal hygiene. Take a shower at least once a day and use soap suitable for your skin type. Washing helps remove bacteria, oils, and body odor. Avoid using hot water as it can cause acne and dry out your skin and hair. Use a shampoo specific to your hair type and gently wash your hair for 2 minutes to prevent split ends and tangling. Wash your hair at least twice a week. After your shower, apply deodorant or antiperspirant to control body odor. Regularly wash and change your clothes, especially those that come in direct contact with your body. Shape your eyebrows and groom or remove facial and body hair. You can use razors, depilatory creams, or laser treatments. If you have sensitive skin, use depilatory creams that are less irritating. For long-lasting results, laser treatments are a good option, while razors or depilatory creams are suitable for quick methods. Each individual can choose a method based on their skin type, budget, and pain tolerance. Whiten your teeth using whitening strips or toothpaste, and brush your teeth and tongue every day to prevent bad breath. To plump and exfoliate your lips, you can use a cinnamon scrub. To make this scrub, mix honey, sugar, and cinnamon, apply it to your lips, and rinse it off after 10 minutes. Now it's time for hair. Hairstyling and hair care have a significant impact on your beauty, so it's important to choose a hairstyle that suits you. Try new styles that complement the shape of your face. Here's a quick guide to hairstyles for different face shapes. For oval face shape, layered hair with lots of volume and waves, pixie cuts, or angled bobs. Use styles with long bangs or soft waves to add natural volume. For round face shape, choose styles that make your face look slightly longer. Layered hair and bangs are great for those with round faces and high foreheads. Avoid very short hair and keep your hair length around your chin. Pixie cuts with one side longer than the other are also a great option. For rectangular face shape, side-swept bangs, side parts, and wavy styles that fall across the forehead are good options. For a heart face, pull your hair up and tie it up or in a ponytail. Alternatively, try a short bob. Makeup. If you wear makeup, aim for a fresh and minimal look that enhances your features. First, identify your skin type, whether it's oily or dry, since different skin types require different products. For oily skin, use primers and matte foundations to control oil. For dry skin, use moisturizing products and hydrating foundations to keep your skin soft and glowing. To achieve the best makeup results, consider your skin tone and choose concealer, eyeshadow, and lipstick accordingly. Choose a concealer that matches your natural skin tone. To cover dark circles under your eyes, select a concealer that is 1 or 2 shades lighter than your foundation. Understanding your undertone will help you choose the best makeup, clothes, and hair color. Here's a simple test to determine your undertone. Look at the veins on your wrist. If your veins are blue or purple, you have a cool undertone. If your veins are green or olive, you have a warm undertone. If it's hard to tell, or you see a mix of colors, you probably have a neutral undertone. For warm undertones, choose concealers with yellow or golden undertones. For cool undertones, go for pink or peach-toned concealers. For neutral undertones, beige or natural shades work best. These concealers are neither too yellow nor too pink and blend well with neutral undertones, providing balanced and even coverage. When choosing eyeshadows, consider your eye color. For brown eyes, almost all colors suit brown eyes, especially blue, green, and purple. For blue eyes, light pinks, grays, and olive shades work well. For green eyes, purple, nude, and brown shades are the best matches. For lips, select lipsticks that suit your skin tone. For cool and light skin tones, light pinks, cherry reds, and soft purples work best. For warm or dark skin tones, peachy, brown, and soft red lipsticks are ideal.